Hello, welcome to Quick Solution. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove followers from your Twitter account. So the thing is that you will not have this option available at the Twitter app, and in the application the only thing that you can do is just block that person. But if you want to remove the follower, you are going to open your browser that you're using on your mobile phone and go to twitter.com. So right here you'll have to log in into your Twitter account, of course, and then you'll have to hit the profile picture at the top left corner right here and go to your profile. So as you can see right here, under your profile name and date when you joined Twitter, there are two options, following or followers. So I'm going to hit the followers option right here, but as you can see, I have 0 followers. So the thing is, if you have some followers on your Twitter account, their name will appear right here on a list. And next to the follower name, you will have an icon with the 3 dots. So what you'll have to do is hit that icon with the 3 dots, and you will see an option called Remove Follower. And if you hit that, the follower will be removed from your Twitter account. And you will have to do that to every follower one by one, because there is no option to remove all followers at once. So this is all for today. And if you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.